Are you thinking of visiting Italy soon? Or perhaps you would like to learn more about the stunning beauty hidden in this land? Well, whatever the case may be, we are here today with just what you need. This video on the top 6 Italian lakes in the Dolomites uncovers the most beautiful lakes located there. Before we head into the details of these wonderful places, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such fun-filled and informative videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Lago di Braies, Pragser Wildsee, Lake Prags. This famous lake is located in the heart of the Fanes Braies, Fanes Prague Nature Park. The gorgeous lake in the Dolomites is tucked into a unique and charming rocky river basin and commanded by the spectacular Croda del Becco Seekofel mountain. The alpine lake enthralls with its aquamarine color and the towering bulk of the Seekofel, 2,810 meters, that encircle it. Lying at an altitude of about 1,500 meters elevation in the beautiful Alta Pusteria, the lake is encircled by an alternative path that takes approximately 90 minutes of walking around. This circular path passes a tiny church on the right-hand side, shaded by spruce, larch or pine. The trail's east section has stairs. The lake reflects the Croda del Becco peak wonderfully. Lago di Braies is regarded as the Dolomite Lake's pearl. Number 2. Lago di Carezza, Karersee, Lake Carezza. The tiny alpine lake is renowned for its vibrant green fresh water, which glitters in a kaleidoscope of hues. In reality, the Latins refer to the lake as Lec d'Ergobando or Rainbow Lake. Ice swimmers will find Lake Carezza to be a stunning sheet of ice in the winter time. Short documentary sequences shot underwaters and on the ice, acquiring a cult following due to their unique light play. This is partly because the lake is at its most terrific point during this season, having received mountainous snowmelts throughout the spring and summer months. The ideal time to visit Lago di Carezza, in our view, is during the shoulder seasons, April, May and September months, when the temperature is still pleasant, the water is still high, and the visitors haven't yet arrived or have already left. Perfect. Number 3. Lake Sorapis, Lago di Sorapis. White cliffs and soft alpine meadows surround this lake, and it is a beautiful location. You may unwind here, enveloped by the majestic Dolomites, and let your soul be comforted. This Dolomite lake is only accessible to visitors and is just 150 meters from the Rifugio Vandelli. It's a famous picture location in the Italian Dolomites. Still, because of its access and sudden increase in Instagram popularity, it may get very crowded during the height of summer, particularly on weekends, especially in the winter. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will personally reply to your comment. Number 4. Lake Misurina, Misurinasee. There is little doubt that the Lake Misurina, which is 5 meters deep and has a circumference of 2,600 meters, is the focal point of this magnificent bucket valley that has been drawing tourists from across the globe since the 19th century. During the summer months, Lake Misurina is excellent for sailing adventures, to take in the scenery from a unique vantage point, and for peaceful strolls along the 1 kilometer long trail that runs along the lake coast. The Lake Misurina is sometimes referred to as the Pearl of Cadore because of the clarity of its water and the majestic mountain landscape that encircles it. There are a plethora of trails in the region, many of which are well marked and warm alpine refuges. Misurina di Cadore is a mountaintop paradise for both novices and specialists. It is one of the few wintertime tourism destinations in Italy with such a diverse range of activities. Number 5. Lago di Alleghe, Lake Alleghe. Since the Monte Piz landslide about 1771, Lake Alleghe has been a tourist place for sports and fishers lovers who flock to the area every year. Lake Alleghe was formed due to the avalanche, one of the Dolomites' most productive lakes. One of the most major tourist spots in Alleghe is its body of water, which offers various activities ranging from water sports to boating, from whitewater rafting or kayaking to simpler rowing raft or rowing boat journeys. Also gives you time to breathe in the breathtaking scenery. In the winter, you may go ice skating on the frozen top of the water. In the summertime, fishers in the rowing crafts softly glide the peaceful waters of the lakeside, which mirrors the mountains of Alleghe and Monte Civetta in its image. Walking along the lake shore or making the round trip on foot or by bicycle are the finest ways to enjoy its beauty as well as the various colors of its waves. Number 6. Lake Dobbiaco, Lago di Dobbiaco. The tiny, charming lake of Dobbiaco is situated near the lovely village of Dobbiaco in Alto Adige. It's really a gorgeous lake. Looking for a location to enjoy a fantastic view? Look no further. Your vacation will seem like a stay in a fairy tale world as you're surrounded by the beautiful Dolomite mountains and thick pine forests, all of which served as a site of bloody conflict and a never-ending front during the Second War. In addition to individuals passionate about bird watching, it's also appealing to those who want to see uncommon migratory birds that only visit this region in spring and fall. In the summer, the area has Lake Dobbiaco, which is ideal for rowboat expeditions, but it freezes over in the wintertime and is great for roller skating and skating. And that's it for today, folks. I hope you had fun listening to us rave about the lovely lakes that the Italian region has to offer. And let us know your favorite out of all these.